Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Technique Tuesday. Today we are doing just black and white. So that's it. No color. Just no color stamping. So I am going to be using the Ornate Thanks. I'm going to be using this thank you stamp and then this my friend stamp. And that's all we're going to be using. Other than that, we've got some Memento Tuxedo Black ink. We've got a piece of Designer Series paper that we've cut. And then we have two pieces of Whisper White and a piece of Basic Black. That's it, guys. Can you believe that? You're not going to believe how quick and easy this card is. So first things first, let's do our stamping. Getting out my Memento. Got that there. Then we're going to get out our thank you. And I'm getting out the thank you because I think this is probably going to be the hardest one. And we might need more pieces of paper. All right, we've got that thank you. If you know me, when I do, if you could see through there, you see little bits of this and that. So I kind of like to rub it across and then tap it, and you'll see it kind of got rid of all of that. See there? It's a little bit better. You also can rub it and have some like little bits in there. I do like using this. Okay, we've got that. Now I'm going to go here down toward the bottom, and I'm just going to line that up and tap it right down there. We've got our thank you. Let that ink go right across. Woo, it came out so lovely. So now I'm going to take that, set it aside. I'm going to get out the My Friend. We're going to ink that up as well. I'll just put that right here in the middle. Oh, so cute. All right. That's it. That's all the ink. That's all we have to do to ink it up, stamp it up. We're going to take the black and white, and I've got this strip here. Now you can get all of the dimensions on my blog, which is beautyandthestamper.com. I make technique and tutorial videos every Tuesday and Friday. We're just going to put a little bit on there, and we're going to put this right here down at the bottom. I use the Tombow glue, the multi adhesive, because that gives me a little bit of time to move it around. So we've got that done. Now we need to take this other piece, and I'm just going to get my little mini guillotine trimmer here. While I'm at it, since it's stuck, I'll get my chamois. And then I'm just going to take this guy and go right here. And look at that. We've got a perfect little thank you going on. We're going to take, and we're going to do the inside of our card. And I'm just going to take this guy, put some glue around. Again, this is going to give me time to move things around. Line up the edges on this side, and if I cut my papers right, it's going to give me a nice little border there. And that's the inside of the card. Adorable. Now the outside of the card, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to put it on this side here. Is this quick and easy or what? And now we're just going to take this and put it straight across. I even think I'm going to cut down my sides a little bit smaller to really match them up here. I love this little trimmer. It came out with a sign-up special. Unfortunately, they're not here any longer. Oh, I thought I cut my thumb. Whew. But there is another great sign-up special right now. If you join, look how cute that is. You can put it down here. You could put it up here. You could put it right in the center, wherever you'd like. And I'm going to put it right here. And you can raise it up if you'd like, but I'm going to just make it as simple as possible. And I'm kind of doing two birds with one stone to show you how you can just stamp and have a beautiful card with really no color at all. And my team, we are doing a little like stamping card, and the theme is to do it in black and white or grays. And so this is going to work out perfectly. So we've got that beautiful little thank you card. I love it so much. I could definitely add some to it if I wanted to. But you know, one more thing that I am going to add, and that's going to be just a wee little bit of Winkastella. So I'll add that, and then I'll show you some pictures. And I wanted to tell you, I am so lying. I said that's all I'm going to do, and that is not all I'm going to do. I'm going to add just a little bit here and there, and it's going to just allow you to see very little bits of shine and shimmer. So I'm adding a little bit here, a little bit there, and it will be fun for the recipient to see a little bit of gloss. Anyways, the stamping sign-up special that they have right now, oh my gosh, you get like 2 stamp sets. You get the traditional like $125 worth of product for only $99. Plus it's like getting a little Costco membership, even if you don't like to sell anything or, you know, do any of my training classes like I'm doing. That is okay, because it's like saving, kind of like a Costco membership, if you will. Somebody had said that. I don't remember who it was, but they said it was like kind of like a membership card where you're just going to save 20% on everything that you buy. So, I mean, you do that anyways. If you're going to shop, you might as well save your 20%. And then you get to be on my team when you join under me. So, that's fun. I enjoy... Oh, hold on, please. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, just little teeny bits of shimmer here and there. Oh, I love it. But then I realized we can use silver as well. So then I thought maybe I would get out my little silver dots. Where are they? Those are gold. I want the silver ones. You know me, I always have to have the little doohickeys. So we're going to go ahead and get one of these. And it already has the exact spot to put these little guys in. Do you see that? You see that little there? And then you see all these little guys? I'm going to put one on each of them, because they give us so many. this. It's going to line it up perfectly where I need it as well. And we're almost done. So anyway, I would love to have you on my team. Kind of got turned into a, let me tell you about stamping. But how cute is this card? Would you like to receive it? I would. All right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day. And again, every Tuesday and Friday, I do technique cards. And then I have some DIYs here and there. And I hope you enjoy it. All right. Have a wonderful Tuesday. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.
2 days, the first